Don't you ever touch my fire! I like that fire! It was my favorite fire! Everything about it was orange! Roberto? Roberto? This guy, he's sleeping on the job. You should fire him. Hope there's no hard feelings, buddy. Hey, you there! Official police business. I need to get you guys out of the car. Wait, hey, dude, let's go for a ride. Who needs her? Dude! Seriously? Stay hang out with me. I need to find a friend. That's my mission, to go find a friend. Excuse me? Oh. Your fault. Shouldn't have been there. Dude, can you be my friend? Where are you going? Get in here. Oh, I'm getting a call. Mom, I can't talk right now. I'll do the dishes later. Hey, pal, listen. Excuse me, dude. I'm talking to my friend. You're being rude. No, you're being rude. Seriously. I know, but I gotta go do the dishes. Are you sleeping? Two can play at that game. Anyways, I just want to thank you for this first day. My God, it is going so well. All right, well, time to get out of here. Oh, excuse me. I saw you. But can you see me? Here I am. It is amazing to be Superman. The power, the responsibility, helping people in their time of need, just being a good citizen overall. Get out of your car. Hey, girl. What's up? How we doing? Oh, sorry. No, don't get up, girl. I love you. Oh, look what you made me. Get back in this car. People gonna think you're crazy. She did it. Want me to take that picture for you?
Hit the road.
Should have said yes.
Wait.
Hey, little fella. Who left you here? Someone. There's a little dog. Oh my gosh, what are we gonna do? Poor dog. I always carry treats for my four-legged friend. It's him. Oh no! I burned the sidewalk! And you, why aren't you eating your bone? So ungrateful! Oh, that's not me! That is not me! Superman is not his own! Bro! He doesn't want the bone! What are you gonna do? Take the bone! You need to calm down. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna just find a place to sleep and I'm gonna go because it's been a long day. A lot of crazy things have happened. People still can't drive in this town. Like, why are they stopped on the road? If we were going so slow, look at all these people. You guys just. So. Oh, hey, girl. What's up? Come take a seat. Where are you going? I thought we were going to the movies. I gotta find friends in this game. You go to the movies with me? To see what? I don't know. We can go see like Batman or Superman or Superman Save the Day. Lex Luthor's way hotter. Excuse you? Well, I'm gonna hide here. Okay, bye. Hey, no, you're my hiding spot. All right, you guys go to the movies. Come on, let's go. All right, where are we going, guys? Woo! Oh, God. Any way to treat your moviegoer guest? You know what? I'll try it. Here, hop in the back seat. Come on. Where are you going? Seriously, nobody ever wants to carpool anymore. I'm so sick of this town. They're so weird. I'm not even in the mood to go to the movies now. I'll just have to see you guys later. I don't know. At least I know there's always one person I can count on. Hey, baby.
Hey, sweetie.
You want to go to the movies?
No, not really. I'm just here at the house looking at pictures of when you were a baby, wishing you were never born. Love you. Bye.
Sweeping detected. End of transmission. Rebooting video.
I never liked the movies anyway. Hey, dude! What? I'm not gonna slice you. I'm a nice dude. I'm only gonna punch you, and still maybe eat you for lunch too.
Throw it, my son. No, you don't dance. It's not a musical. Okay.
Yeah, poor bridge. Stop it! Oh, no! What's that guy? Where is it? Oh, I got it. Okay, I hear the cops, so I'm gonna hide in this bush. They might never see me. This is for why I came back as Superman, because last time I played, I was a pretty wanted man.
Sophie, you messed up my video. Sophie, I'm recording a video.
I figured this disguise would help me evade justice. But now I'm concerned that playing as Superman may not be a good idea because I stand out really with the cape. So I'm gonna go in the water and see if I can get a wardrobe change. What did I do? I'm a killer whale. That's not quite the right. Come on, buddy. We can do it. No way! I turned back into a Superman wolf. Look at my body. Alright. Whoa! What'd I just do? What'd I just do? You duty head! What was happening? I was trying to shoot the weapon by pressing RT. What's he doing? I think there's some wine in the ocean or something, because he's a little stumbly over here. Hey babe, just call me. I went into the ocean, I turned into a killer whale, and I came out with flying abilities. Idea incoming! No way! Oh! Dude, what if I can land on the plane? Don't be silly. You're being silly. How am I fast? I don't guys, our whole childhood we've been lying to Superman is not faster than a speeding bullet. Why are you doing crazy moves? Is this gonna work? This is not gonna work. This is not gonna work! It might have if I steered good. Okay, here we go. We've got this. Nope. Oh my gosh, are they chasing me? I think Superman is such a fraud. He's not. I can't even catch up to the helicopter. Faster than a speeding bullet. That ain't bullet. Come on. Come on, let's do this. Nope. I know it's not as cool, but let's just see if we can settle for a bullet. No! Get back up there, boy Wonder Mom. Booty cheek. Okay, come on, we're good. Can we just land on a smokestack? Alright, I'm the worst. I'm landing on a plane. I still missed it. Get up, dude. Come on, is it even possible? Okay, it wouldn't even have been possible. Whoa, who is shooting at? Hold on, no. I'm Superman. Oh, that's it. Oh, you want a piece of this? Oh, no. Oh! Alright, no. It's okay, you guys. You want a car? Boom! Come on! No! Wait, there's ropes. How are they still in the air? The sheriff! Well, it sounds like they're in the water okay. Oh, now I'm 5 stars. I gotta see if these guys are okay. Who just pushed me? Who just pushed me? I just pushed a guy today. Dude, there's cops everywhere. Look at my map. Can I ride the plane? Oh my gee. Sweet lady. No, come on. No, seriously? No, I can't. I can't actually. You're lying. You're tricking. I'm actually moving. I'm actually taking off in a plane. Oh my goodness. I just stole a plane. An aircraft. The airspace is prohibited. Okay. If I can only learn how to fly this thing, I'll be glad to listen to you. Okay. Oh wow. Wow, this is no. Woo! I think I'm okay, because I'm Superman. Yeah, I'm okay. rooftop.
Have you noticed? Higher prices at the pump, fuel shortages, loss of independent refineries and high-paying jobs, higher fuel import, and our national security is being compromised. What the heck is going on here? Well, it's the collateral damage caused by the Renewable Fuel Standard, or RFS. The RFS is a government program that is now having the opposite effect of what Congress intended it to. Once the EPA and Congress take action, it's going to get a lot worse. Like all government programs, the renewable back in 2005, we were rightfully concerned using oil imports. So Congress passed the RFS requiring ethanol to be blended into gas oil. But then the shale revolution made America the largest oil and natural gas producer in the world. When that happened, the RFS should have been dramatically changed, but instead, it. Here's why. Under the Renewable Fuel Standard, oil refineries are forced to blend fuels renewable identification numbers for RINs identify the amount of ethanol being blended produced. In the beginning, the RINs were only USP, but as per usual, the government program and the cost of RINs exploded. RINs are now so expensive they threaten to.
I really feel unstoppable. Hey guys, that wasn't me, dude. There was some crazy guy over there from England. Why are they not shooting at me? Roger, take a shot. Take a shot.
No way, man. Superman's my favorite. You take the shot.
I'm good. I'm just gonna hide over here.
Come on, Superman. You can literally fly and you can't forget how to ride a bike.
You can fuck on hate this little fucker. My daddy never taught me how to ride it.
All right, guys. I like this car. It's so hot. I think this car's broken. Oh, perfect timing.
Sweet cinematic shot.
Dude, congratulations. You're a winner of a brand new vehicle. Oh, and look at that. It happens to be an ambulance. That's perfect. I'm going to go hide out for a little bit because things are just like unnaturally tense right now. I'm not really sure why everyone is flipping out. Oh, goodness. I just saw my mom.
Oh, sweetie, time to do the dishes. They're getting crusty.
That was a close one. She always tries to make me do my dishes. So I'm gonna hide right here and just wait because it's just too hot. It is too hot.
I don't have a visual on the guy.
Doesn't have a visual. Plan's working perfect. Okay, my stars went away. It's now daytime. Oh, what is happening? I think somebody else is trying to fight me. Hello, fireman. I need help putting man.
We're coming. Man, watch out, Tony. You got the last one.
Man, come on, Ricky. You always get the best wood. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Don't you ever touch my fire. I like that fire. Look my Roberto. Roberto. This guy is sleeping on the job. You should fire him. Hope there's no hard feelings, buddy. Hey, you there. Official police business. Need to get you guys out of the car. Wait, hey, dude, let's go for a ride. Who needs her? Dude! Seriously? Then why never lost that down with me? I need to find a friend. It's my mission to go find a friend. Excuse me? Oh. Your fault. Shouldn't have been there. Dude, can you be my friend? Where are you going? Oh, I'm getting a call.
Oh, sweetie, time to do the dishes.
Mom, I can't talk right now. I'll do the dishes later. Hey, pal, listen. I know we... Excuse me, dude. I'm talking to my friend. You're being rude. No, you're being rude. Seriously. Hey, Gwen, I know we were gonna go on a ride and all, but I gotta go do the dishes. Are you sleeping? Two can play at that game. Hey, Anyways, I just want to thank Jesus for this day, because my God, it is going so well. Alright, well, time to get out of here. Oh, excuse me. Guess you didn't see me. I saw you, but can you see me? Fair enough. It is amazing to be Superman. The power, the responsibility, helping people in their time of need, just being a good citizen. Oh, get out of your car. Hey, girl. What's up? How we doing? Sorry. No, don't get out, girl. I love you. Look what you made me do. Get back in this car. People gonna do it. She did it. Picture for you.
Hit the road.
Should have said yes. Oh, hey, little fella. Who left you here? Hello, someone. There's a little dog here. Oh my gosh, what are we gonna do? Poor dog. I always carry treats for my four-legged friends. Oh no! I burnt the sidewalk! And you, why aren't you eating your